Welcome to the Cybersecurity awareness lesson on protecting against spear phishers. Unlike traditional phishing attacks, spear phishing is highly targeted and personalized, making it harder to detect. These attacks often exploit human trust to steal sensitive information or gain access to critical systems. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how spear phishing works, recognize the warning signs, and learn effective strategies to protect yourself and your organization. Let's begin. What is spear phishing? Spear phishing is a form of cyber attack where attackers tailor their messages to a specific individual or organization. Unlike generic phishing emails, spear phishing emails are carefully crafted using personal details obtained from social media, public records, or previous breaches. These attacks aim to trick recipients into clicking malicious links, downloading infected attachments, or disclosing sensitive information. How spear phishing works? Let's break it down. The key steps involved in a spear phishing attack. Number 1. Reconnaissance. Attackers research their target by gathering information from LinkedIn, social media profiles, company websites. They use this information to craft believable messages. Number 2. Creating a trustworthy message. Using the collected data, the attacker designs emails or messages that appears to come from a trusted source such as a boss, colleague, or service provider. Number 3. Delivery and exploitation. The attacker sends the crafted email, often containing a malicious link or attachment. If the victim clicks or downloads it, the attacker gains access to confidential information or installs malware. Number 4. Execution and impact. Once inside the network, the attackers may steal data, spread malware, or launch further attacks, potentially causing significant financial and reputational damage. Real-life example of a spear phishing attack. Recently, attackers used spear phishing attack to infiltrate the Democratic National Committee (DNC) by sending fake security alert to staff. The fraudulent email appeared to come from Google, tricking recipient into resetting their password and a fake login page. And this attack led to a major data breach, emphasizing the importance of vigilance against spear phishing attempts. How to protect yourself and your organization. Now that we understand spear phishing, let's discuss best practices to defend against it. Be skeptical of unexpected emails. Even if an email appears to be from a trusted source, verify its authenticity before clicking links or downloading attachments. Check email addresses carefully. Attackers often use addresses that look similar to legitimate ones with subtle misspelling or extra characters. Use multi-factor authentication (MFA). Even if your credentials are stolen, MFA adds an additional layer of security that makes unauthorized access more difficult. Limit personal information sharing. Be mindful of the details you share online, as attackers use this information to craft convincing messages. Verify requests for sensitive information. If an email requests login credential, financial details, or confidential documents, confirm the request through an alternative communication channel. Report suspicious emails. If you suspect an email might be a spear phishing attempt, report it to your IT or security team immediately. Keep software updated. Regularly update your systems and security tools to protect against vulnerabilities that attackers may exploit. Conclusion and final thoughts. Spear phishing attacks rely on deception and personalization to trick their victim. However, by staying cautious, verifying email sources, and using security-based practices, you can prevent these attacks from succeeding. Cybersecurity awareness is crucial in protecting yourself and your organization from potential threats. Thank you for participating in this lesson. Stay alert, stay secure, and let's work together to defend against spear phishing.